Welcome to this video, and thank you for joining today. Many people use the IMO app for daily chats, but not everyone knows how to back up their messages. In this tutorial, I will show you how to back up your IMO chats easily and securely. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. After entering Settings, tap on Chat. Then, from the list of options, tap on Chat Backup. Finally, tap on Backup now, and the backup process will begin automatically. You just need to wait a moment for it to complete, depending on the size of your chats. By following these steps, you can keep your important conversations safe and restore them whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with others. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.